Welcome back to our podcast. Myself, Dr. Swastik Budolia, and today's episodes on law of simplex, strength of the dose of for homeopathic use, and route of administration of remedy. Now, aphorism number 273. Single or complex medicine on law of similia. There should not be any doubt to prescribe a single well-known medicine at one time. Footnote: natural salt, alkaline salt, sulfate metals, ethers, natural plants are considered as a simple substances. Alkaloids are not a simple substances. Now, aphorism number 274. It is wrong to attempt to employ complex means when simple means suffice, because single medicine throughout the proved on healthy person. Two medicines when compounded by hinder or altered each other's actions. Wrongly selected medicines also increase the knowledge of physician by producing new symptoms. Or aphorism number 274 is also advantage of use of single medicine. Footnote: leave all type of allopathic treatment during homeopathic treatment. Now 275 to 283, strength of the dose for homeopathic use. Now 275, large doses are injurious. Suitableness of homeopathic remedies depend upon the proper selection and smallness of the doses. Too strong dose with well selected medicine is injurious and produce too long strong impression because attacks those part of organisms which are more sensitive and most affected by natural diseases. Now, aphorism number 276, effect of high potency. Larger doses of accurately chosen homeopathic medicine extinguish natural diseases but produces similar and more violent medicinal diseases which are most difficult to destroy. Footnote: large doses of mercury forcipilis produces incurable mercurial maladies. Large doses of Peruvian bark causes chronic Sina maladies. In both cases, a suitable homeopathic antidote is hardly found. Now, aphorism number 277, minimum dose, or the dose should be reduced to the degree and minuteness and gentle remedies effort. Now, aphorism number 278, how small should be the dose? This can only the learn by the pure experiment, careful observation, accurate experiences. Now, potency selection. 279 aphorism. Homeopathically selected medicine. Dose of homeopathic remedies cannot be prepared so small that it will be stronger than natural diseases. Now, aphorism number 280, sign of correct selection of perfect cure. Medicine should be continued with a general improvement of the patient in gradual ascending dose, modified each time of succession until the homeopathic aggravation when occurs at last. Now, aphorism number 281, sign of restoration. During homeopathic aggravation, few complaints remaining due to drug. These complaints disappear within few days. Meanwhile, the patient is given to take nothing or only powder of sugar of milk. Now, aphorism number 282, homeopathic aggravation. To large doses, especially in chronic diseases, produces so-called homeopathic aggravation, marked increase the original morbid symptoms. Footnote: a treatment of 3 chronic miasms in the primary stage, each canker and figure require large doses of their specific medicine, higher degrees of dynamization daily, even several times of the day. No materia precans, no material cause of the disease. Each and cancers are cured only by the internal medicine. Figure sometimes require external application of specific medicine with internal use. Now, aphorism number 283, Unsuitable medicine in small doses is not harmful. True physicians should prescribe well-chosen remedy in small doses. Small doses is wrongly selected medicine will be extinguished by vital powers and correctively chosen remedy. Now, average number 284 and 285 route of administration. Now, average number 284 route of administration of medicine by tongue, mouth, nose, respiratory tract, liquid form, external application in skin and stimulation. Internal administration. Footnote: for every diseases of infant, collectively chosen medicine for in moderate doses should be given to nursing mother. Infants get medicated throughout the breast milk. If the infant not possess hereditary SORA, he may protect it from SORA by giving antisoric medicine to nursing mother. Mild antisoric treatment, especially with sulfur during first pregnancy, protect both mother and fetus from SORA. Now, average number 285. Some medicine may be given externally or internally. Avoid external application to part of subject to pain, spasm and skin eruptions. External application of medicine. Now, footnote: mineral bath. Homeopathic physicians should not prescribe mineral bath composed of unknown constitution. It is cause injurious, increase injury to the patient. Rarely a patient may be cured by bath if it is similar to diseases. Thank you.